Microwave cooking can keep more water-soluble vitamins, and why? What is the advantage of microwave cooking? The significant advantage of microwave cooking is that microwave cooking can keep more water-soluble vitamins in foods. This is because microwave cooking has a shorter cooking time and less cooking water, therefore, less water-soluble vitamins are lost in the cooking water. What is a microwave? Microwave is electromagnetic wave radiation. Their wavelengths range from about 1 meter to 1 millimeter, and their frequencies are between 300 MHz and 300 GHz. The frequencies of a microwave fall between the radio waves and infrared waves, that is, microwave lengths are shorter than the radio waves but longer than the infrared waves. What is a microwave in the microwave cooking oven? Microwave ovens are used for cooking food using electromagnetic waves with a microwave wavelength of about 12.22 cm with a frequency of 2.45 GHz. This microwave used in microwave oven cooking is remarkably selective. It primarily affects water molecules and other electrically asymmetric molecules in their molecular structure because one ends in the molecule positively charged and the other negatively charged. These electrically asymmetric molecules in foods themselves and cooking water compose a heating medium inside and outside the foods. This uniformly heating medium renders fast and even cooking results in the microwave cooking method. Why microwave cooking time is shorter and can retain more water-soluble vitamins in foods. In microwave cooking, less cooking water is used because many natural foods already contain water. In microwave cooking, water and other structurally asymmetric molecules in the foods are the heating medium, which uniformly absorbs the electromagnetic energy produced in the microwave oven. Therefore, rapid heating is achieved by the uniformly heating medium both in the foods and cooking water outside the foods. As a general rule, most foods can be cooked in the microwave in about 1/3 to 1/4 of the time it takes to cook them in a conventional oven, depending on the thickness of the food, whether it is frozen and the amount involved. What are water-soluble vitamins? Water-soluble vitamins are 9 vitamins, 8 B vitamins and vitamin C. The 8 B vitamins are thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pyridoxine, folate, cobalamin, biotin, and pantothenic acid. In addition, the vitamin-like substance choline is also soluble in water. Microwave cooking can retain more nutrients, such as water-soluble vitamins, than other cooking methods due to shorter cooking time and less water in microwave cooking.